Following last year's Bronco Og and Bronco and Filson Wildland Fire Rig concepts, the new Bronco Riptide project vehicle is designed for spontaneous outdoor adventures. With the roof off, doors removed and replaced with tubular doors, and surfboard rack and boards above, there is plenty of open air for the fun and sun to shine in. The Velocity Blue exterior is meant to evoke tropical ocean hues. With durable marine-grade vinyl-trimmed seats in black onyx and dark space gray and rubberized washout flooring, the Bronco Riptide custom vehicle never shies away from a carefree day at the ocean shore. For this Bronco Riptide project, we imagined a customer who enjoys the open air and a free-spirited West Coast lifestyle, said missycoolsaet, Bronco color and materials designer. We wanted the vehicle to demonstrate how Bronco customers can personalize their vehicle, letting different types of customers visualize what they might want to do with their future Bronco.